Perched on the scenic coastline of South Australia, Wattle Point Wind Farm stands as a testament to renewable energy innovation and offers visitors a unique opportunity to witness nature's spectacle against a backdrop of towering turbines. As the sun dips below the horizon, the wind farm transforms into a mesmerizing tableau of light and shadow, creating a truly unforgettable experience for travelers seeking adventure and beauty. At Wattle Point Wind Farm, visitors are treated to panoramic views of the Southern Ocean stretching to the horizon, while rows of majestic wind turbines sway gracefully in the coastal breeze. Against this dramatic backdrop, the changing colors of the sky during sunset paint a picture of unparalleled beauty, casting a warm glow over the landscape and reflecting off the shimmering waters below. As the day draws to a close, the turbines seem to dance in the fading light, their blades silhouetted against the vibrant hues of the sky. The rhythmic hum of the turbines blends harmoniously with the sounds of nature, creating a sense of tranquility and serenity that envelops the surroundings. For photographers and nature enthusiasts alike, sunset at Wattle Point Wind Farm offers endless opportunities to capture the perfect shot. Whether you're capturing the golden hour's soft light illuminating the turbines or the fiery colors of dusk painting the sky, each moment is a masterpiece waiting to be immortalized. Beyond its breathtaking beauty, Wattle Point Wind Farm also serves as a beacon of sustainability and environmental stewardship. As one of Australia's largest wind farms, it plays a vital role in harnessing clean, renewable energy and reducing carbon emissions, ensuring a greener future for generations to come. For travelers seeking a truly unforgettable experience, a visit to Wattle Point Wind Farm at sunset promises to be an awe-inspiring journey into the heart of nature's splendor. Whether you're marveling at the engineering marvels of the wind turbines or simply soaking in the tranquility of the coastal landscape, sunset at Wattle Point Wind Farm is an experience that will leave a lasting impression on all who have the privilege to witness it. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.